Question 1. What do you understand by the term IT and ITS? Answer: IT. The term information technology refers to the process of creating, managing, storing, and transferring data. IT covers all forms of technology that deal with data. ITES. ITES stands for Information Technology Enabled Service. ITES helps the business to improve the quality of service. ITES, also known as Web-Enabled Services or Remote Services, refers to all operations that use information technology to improve an organization's productivity. Question 2. What are the pros and cons of using ICT? Answer: the following are some of the advantages and benefits of adopting ICT. Using ICT tools, users can do quick communication with others. Digital content is accessible at any time and from any location. New employment opportunities are being created. Teachers can easily clarify difficult concepts using ICT tools. The following are some of the disadvantages and drawbacks of using ICT. Hackers can access the information. The information on the internet is not always accurate. Viruses have the potential to harm your computer system. Question 3. What precautions are required to ensure that ICT use is safe? Answer: the following precautions must be taken in order to use ICT safely. Install antivirus software and keep it up to date. Encryption tools can be used to protect important files. If your computer is shared with others, clear the browser history. For both system login and email ID, choose a strong password. Any unfamiliar link should not be clicked. Question 4. What are the 4 main subsectors in the IT BPM industry? Answer: the 4 main subsectors of IT BPM industry are: A. IT services. These services include offering technical skills to businesses for the creation and management of business process information. B. Business process management. BPM is the process of understanding and analyzing a business model, as well as implementing and monitoring adjustments in order to optimize them. C. Software products. This involves offering users with software products that they can buy or license to use. D. Engineering research development. Engineers who supervise the creation of a product or service, as well as those who optimize the production from the service or product, are involved in engineering research and development. Question 5. Give examples of use of IT in everyday life. Answer: the internet, visiting to a grocery store, mobile phone systems, online banking, GPS map, broadcast radio and television systems, washing machine, microwave are all examples of IT systems. Question 6. How is it used in libraries? Answer: the book is issued and returned using computer software. A barcode makes it easy for the library to keep track of books and determine whether or not a certain book is available. Now many of the schools are using the e-library. Question 7. What are the various processes of education where IT is used? Answer: the following are some of the educational methods that make use of ICT in the classroom. There are numbers of ways in which the ICT is used in classroom, such as e-learning classrooms, gathering educational information on the internet, smart board presentations, creation of images and videos on experiments, educational games, desktop publishing of magazines, letters and documents. B. Education. Anywhere, anytime. Any Indian student can access the NCERT book online, and there are numerous websites and mobile apps that provide educational information on a variety of topics. You can also use the internet to contact an instructor or a trainer. C. Teaching aids and media. ICT is mostly utilized as a teaching aid in schools too. Employ graphics, animations, and audio visuals to convey difficult to understand concepts. Use presentations to make the lessons more entertaining. Use the computer to plan classes. Gather relevant information on the topics. D. Learning Management System, LMS. Many countries utilize a learning management system, LMS, to manage their educational systems. Lessons can be learned at any time and from any location. Use forums to post questions, receive responses, and make comments. Use video to participate in co-curricular activities. Keep track on their children's improvement. Question 8. Which software are used in digital communication? Answer. In digital communication, you can use WhatsApp, social media sites, online chatting software, conference, email services, etc. Facebook, Instagram, Skype, WhatsApp. Question 9. For what purpose is IT used in business? Answer. In business, computers are utilized for payroll calculations, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasts, and stock management and maintenance. Question 10. Which are the prominent areas where IT is used in science and engineering? Answer. Computers are used by scientists and engineers to do complex scientific calculations, as well as to draw, develop, simulate, and test designs using computer-aided design, CAD, or computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, software. Computers are used to store large amounts of information and execute complex calculations. Question 11. List the various uses of IT in a banking system. Answer. The computer is an integral aspect of today's banking system. Every aspect of a bank's operations is now available online. Computers keep track of the data and transactions of customers. The Internet is used to conduct recurring deposits, ERD, fixed deposits, EFD, money transfers from one account to another, NEFT, RTGS, and online transactions. Question 12. Which are the different areas of healthcare where IT is used? And how? Answer. In the health industry, ICT is used in a variety of ways. The hospital management system is used to keep track of and manage patient records, as well as other hospital-related tasks. A. Computerized axial tomography machine, CAT. Three-dimensional, 3D photographs of various body sections can be created with this CAT machine. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine. Strong magnetic fields and radio waves are used in MRI equipment to provide a computerized image of the body's internal organs. C. Electrocardiogram, ECG machine. The heartbeat is monitored using an ECG equipment. D. Cardiac screening machine. This equipment shows the heart's physiology as well as the motions within the heart. EEG, electroencephalography machine. This machine is used to record the activities of the brain. The small electrical probes attached to the head receive the electrical impulses of the brain and display them on a computer screen. Question 13. List any 5 websites of the Indian government which provide IT-enabled services to the people. Answer. The following are 5 Indian government websites that serve citizens with IT-enabled services. https india.gov.in https ipfined.gov.in https irctc.co.in https www.passportindia.gov.in https indiapost.gov.in